In order to be seen by everyone in the audience, the actor is often given special instructions. These positions also relate to the actor's position in relation to other actors on stage. They are known as open up, turn in, turn out, cheat out, share, give, take, cross, and counter cross. So the best way for me to explain this is to give you a visual of the proscenium stage. So what I've done is I've created this diagram. Obviously, this area is the house. This area is the apron because it's falling in front of the proscenium line, which is depicted by the dotted line here. And then I have 15 acting areas drawn in this block pattern. So obviously, this is the entire downstage plane because it's the plane that's closest to the audience. And then I have the center stage plane. And then I have the upstage plane. So you'll notice they're already labeled. So this one, for instance, is down center. This one over here is down left, again, because everything is from the actor's point of view when they face the audience. So you looking at this picture is as if you're in the house, and obviously looking at the stage, everything is going to be opposite. So this entire side will be stage left, this entire side will be considered stage right, okay? I'm gonna use these glue sticks as my actors. So I have arrows written on the top so that way you can see which way the actor is facing. So in this example, this would be a full front body position. When I change the body positions, I'm going to be giving you examples of what each of these terms mean. So the term open up basically means to turn more toward the audience. So obviously they've already been placed where their body is facing the audience, so this is an open position. If I ask the actors to turn in, that basically means they are turning toward the center. So each of the actors will have to adjust their body position so that way they are angled toward the center of the stage. So center is right here. So if they were standing in the center stage plane, they would literally be facing this quarter turn angle. This actor would be facing quarter turn left. This actor would be facing quarter turn right. If these actors are asked to turn out, that means they're going to turn toward the side of the stage. So they would have to adjust their body position and have them face the sides of the stage. Again, it's at an angle, only this time, this actor is standing quarter turn left and this actor is standing quarter turn right. Inexperienced actors tend to face each other directly when they're on stage together. Typically, in real life, this makes sense because you want to face each other when you're having a dialogue. But when you are performing, remember, you're performing for the audience. So the term cheat out basically means you are slightly turning your body out toward the audience, but you're doing it in a way where it's not abrupt and the audience barely notices. So, for example, if these two actors were entering from opposite wings, we have the actor from the stage right wing and the actor from the stage left wing. If they were to enter to then join each other on stage, typically they would face each other and then slightly cheat out to include the audience in their dialogue. When actors are asked to share the stage, it means that they are in the same position of equal strength. So these two actors sharing the stage basically mean that they are of equal strength side by side. One person is not dominating the scene over the other. If the actors were asked to give stage, that means one actor has to allow another actor more emphasis. So if this actor were the host and this actor were the performer, the host may introduce the performer and then leave the stage to then give stage to the actor remaining. So obviously the actor who is remaining is the one who takes the stage because that actor receives more emphasis. Moving from one point to another on stage is called a cross. To complete a cross, the director may ask an actor to cross above or below a piece of furniture or an actor. Above means you're crossing upstage from that object or person, and below means to cross downstage or in front of that object. So if this actor on stage left were to cross downstage of this actor, that means they would be crossing below them. If this actor were to cross above, it means that they would be crossing upstage or behind the person. After one actor has moved, often another actor will need to move in the opposite direction, or what's called a countercross. So if our actor on stage left has to move to the down right area, this actor would then have to countercross to the opposite side of the stage in order for everyone to be seen. A countercross might also be needed to call attention to a new focal point or center of interest. In this example, they're in a shared position. This actor crosses downstage, and this actor will then countercross to the upstage position. Because this actor is further away, it gives this actor the most emphasis. So just to recap, open up, you are turning more toward the audience. Turn in means you're turning toward the center of the stage. Turn out means you're turning more toward the side of the stage. Cheat out means when you're sharing the stage with somebody, you are slightly turning to the audience so that way the audience is not aware of your movement. Share stage means you are of equal position with your scene partner. Give means you allow the other actor more emphasis, and then when you are given more emphasis, that means you take the stage. Whenever you move from one side of the stage to another, it's called a cross, and then when you cross, another actor would then have to counter cross to be seen throughout the stage picture.